Welcome back. I'm going to show you how I built this nitrate filter. It's from the main part is an air duct section, pretty cheap, and you can see down there I've put in a little grid to stop the media that I'm going to put in there falling through, and I've got a box down the bottom there so the water will be under, or the exit will be underwater, stopping any oxygen getting in that way. And this is the media I'm going to bung in there. Fills it up most of the way, and there we go, that's in there now. So I've also put some ceramic media I had sitting around in there as well, why not? So got to get the top part in now, and that involves a piece of tube I've pushed in there because I need to get it out again potentially. So I've put in a wedge at the back there to stop it coming out when the water pressure gets applied. Seems to work all right. So now it's a case of getting something for the top. So I've got an end or a joiner for these air duct. I'm not sure what you call them actually, but air ducts. And I've put a piece of plastic over the top of this one to seal it up, and then I'm just going to lob that on there. And then the next thing is I'm going to have to seal around the join there to try and make sure there's no air getting in that gap. To try and make sure no oxygen gets in the whole system if possible. I've also sealed all the screw holes on the side as well. So here's now the tape on there. It's a self-amalgamating tape, which I hope will seal. So yeah, there we go. It's all pretty much up and running. I'm going to put a bracket on there to hold this pipe because it's a little bit loose there, and I don't want it putting pressure on the joins at the top. So I'll make a little bracket from that. I'll 3D print something, and then here we go. It's in place. It's basically up and running, but I'll have to wait for a few months to see if it actually does anything. But I can test the water coming out the bottom there to see if it's actually doing anything before I sort of commit to it, because ultimately I'll put this within another container to get at a slightly lower height if I can, but I want to make sure it works first before I bother with that. And this might not work, I really don't know. I've got the designs off Manky Sanky's website, and it's just a case of let it run and see what occurs from here on in. You can see I've now put the bracket on there to hold that pipe in place, so that's nice and secure now. It's a fairly solid little unit, but time will tell now. Just got to wait and see if it actually does any nitrate removal, fingers crossed. And if this fails, then I'm going to give up and just build a big ass bulk filter. So time will tell.